guys, guess where we are? We're at Darwin Airport waiting to board a flight to Bali.
It is 4:15 in the morning.
But once we get over there,
It'll only be 8 o'clock in the morning, won't it?
it's 10 to 8 when we arrive. So it's a 2.5 hour flight from Darwin. And they're an hour and a half behind. So 10 to 8 we land. Welcome to Bali! Look at that, Starbucks right at the airport.
Hey guys, we just used the fast track process coming through customs and that. To be honest with you, this particular time of the day there wasn't a real lot of people in there. It was only seemed to be our flight and maybe part of another flight. So probably really wasn't worth the $100 that we paid. However, in saying that, the guy went and filled in our little electronic
like the customs declaration?
Yeah, immigrations declaration.
Yep.
And there was 4 or 5 people standing in front of us in line, and they lined up and they got to the front and then realised they didn't have that declaration, so they bailed out of the line and we just moved straight through.
So if you are coming to Bali, it is electronic. So as soon as you get off that plane, log into the Wi-Fi and download that and fill out that electronic declaration form.
Yeah, now that $100, not only did it get us through there supposedly quickly, but it gets our vehicle all the way out to Legian. So for $100 it wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
And we just sort of raced through. Obviously, if there was thousands of people in there or there was 3 or 4 flights at one time, that would be well and truly worth it.
Yeah.
Plus you don't have to come outside and haggle with the taxi drivers and the thingo to find a vehicle a good price and then get you into where you're going. So
it's worth it, especially if
you got kids and stuff.
If you've got kids and extra bags, you just can't carry them. They'll help you carry your bags. They'll fast track you through there, and there's different packages on their website where they can get taken to Legian, Sanua, Canggu, wherever you want to go, sort of thing. So choose the package that suits you. Anyway, we're here and we'll show you a bit around Bali. So we've had a good first day here in Bali and we're heading off to brekkie this morning downstairs in the Stones kitchen.
It's about 8:45 I think, so we had a good little sleep in. Yeah, now we're going to go down and have a pretty good brekkie. We snuck in for a free feed yesterday. They had awesome jam donuts, because I need them. Omelettes, you name it, they've got it there. It's just one of those brekkies where you can just sit there and graze for hours. Table for 2, thanks.
Certainly.
We get the room number, please.
Our room number is 243.
243.
Okay, we have our table. Now outside, fresh fruit. Fresh fruit and veggies, juice. Hello. Coffee, teas, hot chocolate, cold meats, The salad bar for breakfast, a cheese station, Indonesian corner. Omelette station and some fruit juice. So over here we have the pool bar. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
John.
Hi John.
Hi.
What time's happy hour today?
Happy hour will start 12 until 6 p.m.
Yep.
Yep.
And what-
9 hours happy hour.
And what do you offer for happy hour?
So we have daiquiri and then Aperol Spritz, Long Island, a lot classic cocktail.
So cocktails, mocktails, beer and wine.
Yes.
And how much discount do we get?
For happy hour we don't have any discount, but
Yep.
if you stay long or special from agent, you have discount 15%.
All right.
But for happy hour we don't have a discount for that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, we might see you later then.
Because you will get two for the drink.
Thank you very much.
With my pleasure.
Beautiful pool. So guys, we're at Yes Massage again today. Yesterday we come in for a foot massage. Today we're back for an hour and a half full body massage with warm oil. It's 190,000, which is $19 Australian for an hour and a half massage. We'll let you know how it goes. This is their menu. So we're actually having this one here, the warm oil aromatherapy massage. But there's plenty to choose from on their menu. I'm actually going to come back and have the cream bath by L'Oreal. So they do a shampoo and cream bath conditioner on your hair, and you get a scalp and shoulder massage as well. Includes blow dry for 145,000, which is $14.50 Australian. What are you cooking?
Hey, corn. Yeah, with butter, cheese butter.
Awesome.
Garlic butter. Hey, yummy, yummy.
So guys, when you do come over to Bali, if you drink in all the hotels, the actual proper hotels, you will be paying tax on your drinks. If you go to the local bars or you come down the beach here, you pay the price what's on their list. There's no taxes. And most of these guys too have Wi-Fi along here, so you can log into their Wi-Fi, sit on the beach, enjoy the sunset and have a cold beer.
And look, here's my beach bar.
David Beach Bar, ice cold beer. And look, they've got nice bean bags too.
Hi, good afternoon.
This is David.
I'm David. Nice to meet you. Welcome to
look.
Bali, my
Can I
friend.
film you?
Yeah. Yes,
David?
Thank you so much for coming. That one is David. Don't forget, this is handsome too handsome. Which one you like? Sit down in my bean bed. I'll give you free bean bed for you in the front because you're my second honor. It's free bean bed. Maybe a couple hours. This sunset will be very good today.
So here we are. Couple of bean bags. He's adjusting the umbrella for us. We get some
You
beers.
see the bean bed, the one is the best we call bean tank.
My name is Christy, but mostly in Legian Beach people call me Bibbidi Bobbidi Girl.
Bibbidi
So
Bobbidi?
this is the Indonesian snacks. It's caramelized nuts, or we say melinjo beans. You can see Bibbidi Bobbidi this. This is the lemon lime peanut, corn macaroni, spicy macaroni, but if you didn't like spicy, please skip this Bibbidi Bobbidi. And this is the caramelized banana chips. So you can try the Bibbidi Bobbidi.
How much are the
Bibbidi snacks. I'll tell you the price first.
lemon
lime?
The
The lemon lime peanut is 30,000. So caramelized and lemon lime is 30,000 each. And this is 20,000 each. Just only this two is 30,000.
And if we buy two of those ones,
They're Bibbidi Bobbidi fixed price. The the important thing before you buy the snacks, you should try them. Make sure you like or dislike.
I like lime and chili.
Bibbidi, here one.
So guys, we got bibbidi bobbidi snacks.
Yeah, the bibbidi.
2 for 60,000. So that's $6 Australian for 2 packets of bibbidi bobbidi snacks from the bibbidi bobbidi girl.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
See ya.
Sun is going down.
So just a little tip for travellers. If you look over there to our left or even in front of us, you'll see all the banana lounges. You have to pay extra to sit on them. Now, the bloke just said to me, I said, how much? And he goes, how long? And I said, till the sun goes down. And he goes,
100 Indonesian rupiah.
Rupiah,
Yep.
which is only $10. That's $5 each chair. Or you just keep walking around and you have either the placky chairs that are up behind us for free, or you can have these bean bags that we're sitting on for free. So the placky chairs, all those ones that are up there, and these are the bean bags. And the beer is only 30 rupiah, which is $3.
30,000.
30,000.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
And the reason why we say 100,000 is $10 is because the Australian dollar at the moment is roughly sitting around 9,700 on the exchange rate. So what we do is we just round it up to make it easier. So if it's 100,000, move the zero and it's $10. It's just easier to work it out. So you kind of have a rough idea what things cost over here. So yeah, we're at another bar now. We're at Mary's Bar. We've just moved down the beach a bit in front of our hotel.
And on the sign it says beer is life.
Yep. The beer that we want is the Bintang Radler. It's a lemon beer. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not a beer drinker, but I really like it. Apparently everybody's run out of Radler. So I'm going to have a fresh, young, cold coconut, and Dave's having a Bintang Crystal.
Bintang Crystal are the new Bintangs. The Radlers are nice on a very hot day if they're very chilled.
They're a little sweet.
They're a little bit sweet, so you'll only have 2 or 3 of them. But they're good just to cleanse the palate and have a quick beer.
And now we're just going to sit here and enjoy our drinks and watch the sun go down. This is one of the many booze buses they have in Bali. This one's got a toilet at the back. Oh, how many beers do you get?
As much as you want to drink.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for 2 hours.
Okay, guys, 55 Australian dollars. Gentlemen paid. And you can drink as much beer as you want. For how long?
2 hours.
For 2 hours. Anyway, that's some Aussie who's just paid $55 Australian for 2 hours to drink as much as he can while he's on the adventure bus. So Dave has come into Christina Spa just down from the Stones Hotel, and he's getting a haircut and a shave, and it's costing him $16. So Christina Spa does haircuts for men and ladies. You can get your hair coloured, you can get it blow dried, washed and straightened, and then go next door for a foot massage or a full body massage. What is that on your head? So come and check out Christina Spa, just down from the Stones Hotel in Legian. So Dave's got his new haircut and we're taking a walk, going to look for some dinner. Firework goes off every night down on the beach. So plenty of places to eat. There's hotels, there's little restaurants, plenty to choose from here in Bali. You can choose from Indonesian to Indian to Chinese to Australian, anything you want. Local mini mart.
Nachos.
Dave's not taking me to a mini mart for dinner for $25,000. That's $2.50 for nachos.
Hey guys, we're at the cinema here in, it's supposed to be Kuta. Yeah, it's Kuta Beach Walk, which is the shopping centre. and has a cinema. We're going into their premium, which is like a gold class. It has beds, you get a blankie and a little pillow, you can go in and watch it on a big screen. It was 200,000, which is equivalent to $20 Australian. We'll give you a look when we go inside. They also have the deluxe, which was, I believe it was 70 for 2 people, so that's $7 for 2 people. So this is a ticket that you get for the premium. And we're going to watch the new Transformers movie. They have a candy bar here, which they have a range of popcorns and nachos with the plastic cheese and a whole heap of different things you can get, which Roz will show you when we go over there. But yeah, hopefully the movie will be good.
So they have all the regular food here, plus caramelised popcorn, Milo popcorn, juices, iced teas, whatever you like.
So as you can see, the chairs recline back and you get a little blanket. Roz has got a mojito iced tea and her popcorn.
And my little blankie.
But I've got to turn the camera off now because the film is starting. That is the screen. And you can actually get service, so this person's having a drink, popcorn poured in. So it's pretty cool for 20 bucks.
Okay guys, we're arriving at Frankenstein's.
Hey guys, we've just walked into Frankenstein's laboratory. So you come here before the show and all that starts, and you have finger food, snacks, pre-drinks, so to speak. They're just finishing up next door with the kids and the family thingo, and we're going to go in the adults only show. So we come here first, you spend an hour here, and then we go down into the next spot where we just were, and we'll have our dinner and all that, but we can get finger food here. Here's your snacks menu.
Want your makeup done? Hey guys, I'm in Bali getting my hair done. I'm getting my roots done, hair wash and blow dry straighten is $70 Australian. So don't be scared to come to these hairdressers in Bali because they're still pretty good. They're using L'Oreal products and it's a win-win for me, $70 instead of paying $200 back home in Australia. Anyway, I'll show you the finished product when they finish with me. So guys, finished product, $70 at the Christina Spa in Bali. So guys, I've just checked into the Grand Sahati in Ubud. I have a deluxe room with a pool view. It cost me $73 Australian for the night. So coming in the front door, straight ahead, you've got some cupboards. This is the bathroom. Oh, I have a bathtub. Little lounge room, kitchenette area, double bed, and going out to the pool view. Very tranquil. So I've just come out of my hotel and it's about 200 metres down the road is the Monkey Forest. And that's where I'm heading. Thank you. 80,000 for an adult, 60,000 for a child. And fish food is 10,000. Do not bring any food, drink inside the Monkey Forest area because the monkeys may take it away. Let's do this. Now come in the gate at the Monkey Forest, handed in my ticket, and now I'm coming down through a tunnel which will take me through to the other side. How cool is that? Check out this guy. He just opened the lid of the rubbish bin. He's looking for some food. Guys, this is the map of the Monkey Forest at Ubud. I'm actually over here at the moment. I went in through the main entrance over here. So I've come in and I've walked along this way, around here, over here, and I'm going to go back the other way. See if I can get some more monkey shots for you guys. Because one monkey is just not enough. Here with Newman, my photography tour guide, and we're at Sutta village and we're going to watch a ceremony today. And all these things that you see are offerings from the local village to the gods. And over here for the ceremony feast, the babi guling.
Well guys, it's the morning of our friend's wedding. Unfortunately, last night Roz fell off the stairs, stone sober, and she was coming down to take photos of the sunset, and she was looking at her camera, misjudged a step and went face first into the concrete. So spent a bit of time in hospital last night, and now she's back in bed resting with a badly bruised knee and a very swollen ankle. So unfortunately she won't be attending the wedding. It's about 06:20. We're just going down to one of the villas where we'll get our sarongs and our headgear for the wedding ceremony. Then we'll get in the vehicles and we'll head up to the ceremony. So they're getting ready, all the tables are out for tonight. Ooh.
after everyone has breakfast. Everyone arriving for the wedding.
Idu Danis meton sareng sami, Bapak Ibu, dua keluarga.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, this is our welcoming dance, Puspa Rusty Dance. Enjoy the show.
That time again, it's joke time with Dave. Hey Roz.
Yeah, Dave.
I showed my lawyer my badly damaged luggage the other day and I said I want to sue the airline, but he said you can't, you don't have much of a case. Catches.